If you don't know what MyFitnessPal is, chances are you know someone who does. In 2015, Under Armour paid $475 million for the popular app and website, which helps users track their diet and exercise goals for free. But that popularity made it a target for hackers too, and the numbers are staggering. They hit roughly 150 million accounts, stealing usernames, email addresses, and something called hashed passwords.
What does that mean?
A hash value is not your password per se, but it is a mathematical representation of your password. And all that means is, given enough time, I can figure out what your login password truly is.
Mark Lanterman is the Chief Technology Officer for Computer Forensic Services. He says the good news is Under Armour notified users of the breach quickly, and the hackers did not get any other sensitive information. But even though Under Armour is requiring users to change their passwords, he says nobody should stop there.
If you use that password to log into your bank account, bad idea, change it now.
Mark says once hackers figure out those hashed passwords, it's only a matter of time before they try using them across multiple accounts, looking to inflict the most damage.
Every account we should have a unique, complex, meaning long, password.
If it sounds like a lot of work, he suggests approaching your online privacy like your fitness.
Don't be lazy. Change your passwords.
Mark says the best way to stay on top of your passwords without writing them down is with a password manager.